Welcome to Circuit Snap. Let's make a simple buzzer alarm with using Arduino. Perfect for beginners and fun to experiment with. Let's get to the wiring now. Components required: Uno, breadboard, some jumper wires, a buzzer, and a push button. So let's wire this up. First, put your push button like this, horizontally 90 degree. Then connect one side pin to ground and the other opposite side pin to pin 7, like this. Then connect your buzzer positive negative to ground and the positive side to pin 8. Now connect your Uno and upload the code. Now watch your alarm buzz. Awesome. Hit subscribe to create more gadgets with Circuit Snap.